Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Today we have BTC and Litecoin as we have the BTC and other cryptocurrencies in the trend. So here on the BTC, if you see the high time frame, it's showing after testing the flip area on the HTF, we have breakouts. So after the breakout, maybe there are high chances that market reverse back and takes order from the newly made levels on or entry time frames like daily H4, then it will move up again. Because on if you see on high time frame here, look at that. It just tested the flip area. If you see the 3-month chart, look at that. It is testing the previous flip area and minimum it can move up to 34,000, and after that again 60 it will cross 60,000. As we have discussed in the last video on the YouTube channel, you can see that we need a drop. I think that was here, the price was here when I made that video on the YouTube. I mentioned there that if price drops again here in this area, then we'll see a big move. Why? Because we want the price to move up to here, or more than the last move, you can say that. We have two levels. You can say that weekly area and the mid area. Weekly area is here, that is still pending. Price didn't test that area and it just continuously dropped, and after that it tested the flip area, our main flip area. If you see the 3-month chart or 6-month chart, we have clear sign that here price tested the flip area. So after the flip area testing, normally price moves really strong. Or you can say that minimum we can hold our entries up to 60,000, right? On lower time frames, here we can see price already removed the trend line and it just created new levels on the week chart or on our entry time frames. If you see the daily chart, you can see that we have a small PCP area here, and these are our main levels. So if price drops from here, strong driver, then it can move really fast. If it drops strongly, then we can say that it will move up again. But the second scenario is price should make another bullish candle like that, and or maybe 2 weeks. It can take up to 2 weeks, and then it will drop again to validate this PCP area, and then it moves up. So for that, we have this area, and after testing this area, price may drop again. And if we might have level or trend line or ascending trend line like that, then it can test our trend line again, and then again it will push up like that. So minimum we can go up to 60,000. Personally, I'm waiting for the another bullish candle here, and in order to take entries from here. If that happens, then you can take entries from 23K, and after that you can hold up to 39 or this one 60. So this is our first choice. You can say that this is in the near future it is going to happen, but we can hold BTC no matter what's going on in the trends, what type of news is you can see right now in the market. Just leave that. Fundamentally, just leave that. What's happening nowadays. Just see the charts, make it simple. No need to use any type of indicator. If you see on low time frame like weekly or daily H4, H1, you see any type of opportunity, just take that opportunity. Or minimum, you can hold that up to the height of the departure. No matter where are you working. H4, H1, even 30 minutes, daily chart or weekly chart, no matter. By using supply and demand rules, what we do actually, we can hold our positions as per the departure height. When that happens, when price takes order from the flip levels or bottom of the move. What is the bottom of the move? This is our first flip level or here it is the bottom of the move. I mean, this whole move, it belongs or it stays on its base area. I mean, base area is really powerful. And the main thing, or you can say that any building, if you see a building stays on its base area. Or you can say that Burj Khalifa, world tallest building, we say that it is not going to damage easily. Why? Because we know that base area is really strong of that Burj Khalifa. So base is strong. That means the move or the building, it is not going to damage easily. So on high time frame, it is showing me a clear bullish move. And if you see Euro USD, it's showing me that, or you can say that weakness of the dollar in the future. Look at that. If you see the year chart, you find them easily. The price already tested that area, and after that, what will happen? Dollar will get weaker day by day, minimum up to this area, around 1.49. So there are a lot of chances that price will move all other pairs against dollar, major pairs or any cryptocurrency pair. It is going to move against the dollar. Don't follow newses. I mean, you will see all the fake news all the time, hype of any type of thing. They create hype personally. Just don't follow the trends. Just see the naked charts, what's happening in the charts. Just follow that. As just apply rules, whatever you know about that. No matter what type of strategy you use. Let's move on to the Litecoin pair. Price created another level. I mean, that was really strong. Let me change the color here. Strong move, ever strongest move. So if you see 3 months, look at that. A clear sign that price just tested that area. It will minimum move here, up to here, and here, the second take profit here. Are you using momentum type of levels or location type of levels? And what is the favorite thing about levels? We need to have momentum plus location both together. That will give us a great profit margin. So look at that. That was momentum. Now that was location level. I mean, inside the momentum, we found a location level, location setup. So we can say that we added momentum and location both together, and now it will move really strong. So after the departure height, you can close or entries. It depends on your mindset, why you are investing in the crypto market or any other market. About the crypto markets, we have, of course, we have in this year, we are looking forward for regulations. We can see that every country in the world is trying to make some regulations, some rules about the crypto market. So it all depends on your mindset and your thought about the crypto market. Is that have a future in this world or not? Just ask the question about from yourself. So when you get the point, just hold that. Or minimum you can hold, if you're short-time investor, just hold the positions up to the departure height of the last move. What suits us, like the trading style. I mean, if you are an intraday trader, day trader, or we choose H1, H4, or daily or weekly, we always apply the same rule. We can close our entries as per the departure height of the last move. So that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. So bye-bye.